Hello friends, welcome to Technotainmentology. Today we will be reviewing Infinix Hot 7 Pro. I would like to ask you to subscribe this channel as well as press the bell icon button to get all the notifications which comes on this channel. Thank you. This is Infinix Hot 7 Pro. I bought it in Pakistan for around 19,000 rupees. And it's a 64 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM model by Infinix. It has a 4 AI quad lenses. It's a Mocha Brown color. Hot 7 Pro, PT approved, and warranty is given by M&P. Let's see what it has got on the back side. Now let's see the back of this mobile. On the back of this mobile, it mentions the specifications of this mobile. And the specifications which are mentioned here are memory. It has 64 GB and 4 GB of memory. Processor is of Mediatek MT6757 series. It's a good processor, especially for this kind of mobile, which is a budget mobile basically. Connectivity, it has GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth network, 4G, 3G, 2G. It means it supports up to 4G networks on both SIMs. Battery capacity is has a big battery, as they also mentioned here, 2 days battery life. It has a 4000 mAh battery. Dimensions are mentioned also. It's a thin kind of a mobile. And operating system, it has an Android 9 Pie. It's a latest version of Android it has. And the display, it has 6.2 inches of HD notch display, which you can see clearly here. It's from here to here diagonal 6.2 HD display, HD notch display, which means there will be smooth cornering here. Just from the front, or even from the back, it looks like an iPhone, also iPhone 10, I guess. From the another thing, front camera is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel of the depth camera, which blurs the background of things with the flashlight. It has a quad flashlight. Means there also are 4 different LED flash lights in the flash. Resolution, it supports 720 to 720 by 1500. 720p, it supports the 720p resolution. The rear camera is also same as the front camera. It has a 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel autofocus, dual flash. It says dual, but in the rear side it has basically a quad LED camera, flash light. Sensor, it has G sensor, E compass, L sensor, proximity sensor, fingerprint, soft gyroscope. Okay, and it mentions that it has a AI quad lens, 6.2 inches, HD plus. Okay, it has HD plus full view display, 2 days of battery life with 4000 mAh. It has octa-core. It has octa-core processor, not a quad-core one. And also it has face unlock and fingerprint, and it's an Android. So, and also it is PTA approved mobile, so you don't have to worry about the tax issues here in Pakistan. Okay, let's open it. And also, sorry, I forgot to mention on the lower side it mentions it's made in China. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside it. Before opening it, it has mentioned its website, infinixmobility.com. Do visit it. First of all, I say it's not a sponsored video. So here we have our mobile, looking great from the front. I applied the tempered glass on it, so even if it drops down, it won't break. So friends, this is the front look of the mobile, and this is the back of the mobile. Hope you like it. Look how beautiful it looks. Great looking mobile, and both from back and front. Look, it has a dual lens with 4 LED arranged here. It has a fingerprint sensor back there. Sleek. It looks like an aluminum body from the back side. It mentions a hot and designed by Infinix, made in China. Model number is model X625C, and this is from the back. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, there's SIM opening key. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, manuals. Some of the manuals. It has its plastic cover. It's not a silicone one. You have to purchase the silicone one if you get this mobile, but it's okay. Then it has another manual guidance, and it has a front cover to protect your screen, but I applied, got the tempered glass. It helps more when you drop this mobile. It helps to protect basically. They have provided us the earphones, and these are the basic earphones. I tried them, not that much good quality. The sound is not that much good. It has also a charger. It's a 2.0 ampere charger. It's okay. Nowadays it's normal to have a 2.0 ampere with the Infinix branding on it. It has a data cable, or you can say connectivity cable, for charger as well as for your computer. And on the front, I forgot to tell you, you have a warranty card also inside. This is a warranty card, M&P. Okay, and this was the sticker which was present on the front before I took it off for the tempered glass, just like this. How beautiful. It mentions the octa-core. It mentions basically the octa-core processor, 2 days battery life, 4 quad lenses, basically AI quad lenses, 6.2 inch LCD full display, Infinix powerful entertainment with quad lenses. Okay, and there's our back side. So let's move these things away from here, and so we can explore our mobile. This was a manual. I already inserted my SIMs in it and started it. Let's open it. Wow, looks beautiful. Okay, let's have a pin on it. Rose pin. Okay, look how beautiful it looks. Amazing looking mobile. Wow, great colors, great notch, amazing looking. It has it's cleaner, which clears up the RAM, the caches, and shows you here. Let's see what it says. Let's go inside in the system. Let's see about the phone. Okay, it shows the standard. It's Infinix Hot 7 Pro version. It supports basically their own version of software, XOS. They named, just like the iPhone has iOS, they have named it XOS, but it's not nearer to anywhere to iPhone, but it's a nice software. One drawback of this mobile is that I will tell you in the last time. I will tell you in the end of this video what was the disadvantage of this mobile, or you can say not a disadvantage, basically it's a drawback kind of thing which I don't like in the mobile phones, especially when you have purchased a new mobile, a branded mobile. Infinix is not a new company now. Infinix has a headquarter in India. It's assembled in China, France. It goes to France, Bangladesh, Zimbabwe, and many other countries, Netherlands, also Dubai. But if these kind of things happen, this means they have to fix these kind of things. I will tell you in the last of this video what's the issue. But overall, the mobile is great. It has an Android 9 version on it, and the build number, device info. It has core count, CPU core count 8, CPU frequency, and internal storage of 64 GB for RAM. RAM is 4 GB, resolution is 720 by 1500. Okay, so let's see about the storage in it. Okay, we get almost half of the storage, I guess. Clear it up. Almost half of the storage we get. RAM we get used 2.919 GB. We get, and internal storage we get around 53 GB out of 64 GB. Okay, now it's a good mobile, seems good. Somebody has changed. Let's move it outside here. Okay, so I installed WhatsApp on it. And YouTube plays well, opens well. It's a fast opening, especially in this sort of mobile, this budget range. In this budget range, it's a nice mobile. So you can have a try of it, and let's see. No promotions. These days there are so many advertisements. Okay, you can have a check out the sound of this mobile. Let's fill this. Let's finish the advertisement first. Skip the advertisement.
But it's a trick. No, it's much more than that. Whosoever be he, worthy shall have the power. Whatever, man. It's
sound
a trick.
is normal,
Please
not
be my
that
guest.
much, but
Really?
it's normal sound.
Oh, this is gonna be
Screen resolution is great.
We won't hold it against you if you can't get it up. I've seen this before.
Screen performance is great.
I still don't know how you do it. Smell silent judgment. Please, start by all means.
So now let's have a look on its camera. Okay, so let's put something here to get your idea of the camera. Camera is good, especially on this kind of range mobile. Not bad. Let's have this ABCD book. Let's focus it. I will post some sample shots after taking out of it. It will show. It has a video mode. It has a AI cam. It has a beauty mode. It has a bokeh, which means it will blur the background of it, of anything. It's like this. If I get the, let's focus on this. Let's see backgrounds or not. Yes, it surely background is blurred now and only book is focused. A nice thing, a nice mobile. It has ear shot. You can use different for selfies. I'm not taking my selfie right now. I'm not in a mood to get the selfie of it. Many ear things. Selfie, especially for girls. It's great. So this is the mobile.